So your girl done cut her hair off. Hey everybody, this is Erica and I'm finally back. I have a lot going on right now. I have a lot to talk about. It's been probably a year or so since I've been on YouTube. Yeah, I'm sorry. Not gonna make this video long. As you can see, sister done cut her hair off. It is gone. It's kind of nappy back there, so don't look at that. Yes, it's gone. A little slick. Yep, it's gone. Yeah, so I'm not natural anymore, as you can see. Where do I start? I got a relaxer back in February of last year. I got tired of being, might as well say I got tired of being natural. Some people might not want to hear that, but that'd be okay. I got tired of being natural because my hair was just so very thick, and I wanted my hair straight, and I didn't want to have to damage the curls. But the main reason that I actually got a relaxer is because when I think, I don't know if it was the last video, I have to check, but I had a video I posted with a blowout. And when I got the blowout and I washed my hair, my curl pattern completely changed. I mean, everything had loosened up and it hurt my pole hard. And that really pushed me to get a relaxer because I was already on the verge of wanting to get a relaxer. But when I actually got the blowout, it just, I don't even want to talk about it because it's just how upset I was. Okay, so I got a relaxer back in February of last year. And I actually didn't get I got a Texlax. I didn't permit bone straight. I just got it straight enough where I could deal with it. So it wasn't, like I said, it wasn't bone straight. I got a Texlax, and I got my relaxer in February, and I probably didn't get another relaxer until maybe like August when I got my next relaxer. So when I did the same thing, I just got a Texlax. I didn't let it stay on long. And then I got another relaxer before I got my hair cut. I got my hair cut for my birthday, which is in December. So I wanted something new. I was turning 39 and I wanted something new to my hair. And people were like, you sure you want to cut your hair? You want to do this? You want long and natural? I said, you know what? I've never cut my hair. This would be something totally different. So yeah, it's on me. And I like. So now I'm in a full circle wanting to go natural again. Shoot me now. Shoot me. Yes. I actually want to go natural again because my friend told me about a Envirogo something. I can't think of the name of it. When I figure it out, I'll put it right here somewhere. It's something that you put on your hair that helps you stay, when you when you straighten your hair, it helps you with the frizziness where your hair won't frizz so much. So when she told me about that, I was like, oh, I can deal with that. Because I miss my bun, my little curly bun. I miss all that. So I think I'm going to go natural again. So I have to start all over because I just got a relaxer like a week ago. I mean, where they do that at? Yeah, so I'm thinking about going natural again. So, yeah, we'll figure that out. But other than that, yeah, I had to let YouTube go for a little while because I've been super busy. I have a regular full-time job. And, of course, with my last videos, I have been promoting my t-shirt business. So that has kept me so busy on top of my full-time 40-hour-a-week job. So when I work, I have to come home and I work again till like 11, 12 o'clock at night. So I'm trying to even that out, work things out, organize, and do some things. So we'll see how that goes. So yeah, yeah, my shirt ain't gonna be blown. Yes, check it out. I got a new tattoo. I got this, I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Well, how can I do this? There we go. Right there. It's upside down. Let me go this way. It says faith in family. Yes, it hurt. It hurt worse up here close to this part. It hurt very bad. So that's a tattoo I got right before It was before my birthday. I got that. And I want another one right here. Whew, that's gonna hurt. But is it the right side? Yeah. I want one right here. And I plan on getting that before our vacation. So, grandbaby's getting big. He turned 1 in November. He's very busy body. I would show him to you, but his daddy just came to get him, so I can't show you that. I'll show you on the next video. To put this up, because I'm not going to wear it out anymore, I'm going to do protective styling so I can get my hair to grow out, so I can begin to go natural, if that's the plan. It's a struggle. So we're gonna work some things out. But yeah, y'all want to do a little 360 in our hair. Here we go. Don't mind it. It's kind of a little nappy back here, so y'all don't look at that. And I don't even want to begin to tell y'all the struggle I had getting my hair cut. I hate going to a beauty salon because you know I don't like going. I hate going to a beauty salon and you show the person, the beautician, the actual style that you want and told her you want it like this and not to do this. And she does the total opposite and cuts more of your hair than my hair was supposed to be longer than this. My hair before I cut it was right here. And I wanted this side to be here. And she cut it. It was actually shorter than this because it done grew. She cut it up here. And then, of course, I told her not to cut this over here. I know that's the normal routine of getting the pixie cut. I didn't want that cut over there. I wanted it. And, yeah, this is cut even though I haven't cut it since I've cut my hair. And this is how long it is. Can you see that? That's how long it is right now. So that salon experience made me not want to go to another beauty shop anymore, because when I left, I wanted to cuss out. I literally did, because I had uneven spots all over my head. I had to come home and fix my hair myself. After paying her all that money, I had to come home and fix the hair myself. So I cried on the way home because it was like, I've never got my hair cut before, but to go to a salon and get it cut and you don't cut it right, and then her assistant had the nerve to arch my eyebrows and with wax, and she waxed the same spot over and over and over and over again, because she said, well, I have to keep waxing it to get the little hairs out. And I was thinking, ain't you supposed to be plucking it? And when I got home and woke up the next day, I looked like somebody punched me in the eye. Literally, boom, boom. You told my past. I was hot. I am coming back with a lot more videos. I will be consistent this time. I will be uploading at least once a week. Pray for me. We're going to pray on once a week. Yes. Pray on once a week. I am going to do like an upload on Wednesday. That'll give me partial of a week and a weekend to work on a video so I can get a video up for you all. Let me know what type of videos you want to see. I've been gone for a minute, so there's a lot of things that I do want to bring back and bring to the channel. So yeah, just let me know what you guys want to see. And just hey to all my subscribers that I've been missing. I've been getting emails from people like, hey, you know what, Erica, where have you been? Yeah, I love you all. I do. So here I am, and this is the video. I had something else. So yeah, that is it, I believe. I know it's probably a lot more information I could be bringing to you all, but yeah, I think that is pretty much it. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them below. Also leave below any type of videos that you want to see on my channel, any new videos that you want to see on my channel, any older videos that you want to see again on my channel. Let me know. And I will get those started. I do have one video that's beginning to be in the works, so you all look for that. And I think that is it. Oh, and also, how did I forget that? Between August and December, when I weighed myself last, I had lost a total of 20 pounds. So I was needing to lose some weight. I bet y'all like, Erica, we need to see. I'll show you in another video. I'll talk about my weight loss and the things I did to lose some weight. I still got a little bit more to go. I'm aiming for 10 more pounds, but I've been at a standstill because I've been having issues with my back. I have sacroiliitis in my my joint. That's like the joints right there, chip bone. And I was diagnosed with that a few years ago, and it is nothing to play with because there's really no cure for it. So I was dealing with that back in November, which stopped me from exercising because it was just so painful. It was just so painful to go to the gym and exercise, because I do go to the gym 3 days a week. I try anyway. And with my sacral joint, it just won't let me be great. Yeah, so yeah, I have sacroiliitis. Like I said, I guess it's basically the inflammation in those joints. I can't actually remember what they say was wrong. I think the cartilage or something is missing back there. Whatever it is, it's very painful. And I've had it for, it's been some years now. I dealt with strong for a year. And that's because the 6 doctors that I went to, every last one of them diagnosed me with something different until I became the doctor myself and Googled it and went to another doctor. Was like, hey, could I have sacroiliitis? And he did the scanning and he was like, yo, I need to get my PhD. I need to become a doctor, a Google doctor. Didn't have to diagnose myself, but Google is my best friend. So I went through that for a whole year. I was out of work and I went and got procedure done on my back, which has lasted for, when did I get it done? 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, I think like 4 or 5 years. And then I had to go get another one. I think it was the last week in January. So it is doing good so far because I've been going back to the gym. I actually just started going back to the gym last week. So I'm back on my weight loss journey. I'll do a video on that as well. So, yeah, 20 pounds and your girl is aiming for some more. The girls look that comes. I didn't even realize. But yeah, that is it. Questions, comments, leave them below. If any of my subscribers or anyone watching this video suffer from sacroiliitis, comment below what you do to ease your back pain, because back pains, it is no joke. So yeah, that is it. Questions, comments, leave them below. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Hit that subscribe button so you won't miss nothing. Click the little, I think it's like a bell by the subscribe or by my name. It's somewhere down there that you can click where you get notified when I put up new videos. So yeah, that is it. And I promise I will have another video uploaded for you in a week. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.